This stream is going to be a bit different. I'm planning to spend it developing a Chrome extension for my web app, Timestamp Genius. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I think my voice might be a bit loud on TikTok. I'm just gonna check TikTok real quick and then we'll get started. Let people join, etc. If you're watching the VOD, feel free to skip ahead probably at least a couple minutes to when we actually get started. Right. Just checking the sound quality on this blah 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 blah. Just checking the sound quality on that. Seems pretty good. All right. Yo, Pinoy boy. What's up? Okay, how to create a Chrome extension. What is a Chrome extension? It's essentially these add-ons that you can get in Chrome. My web app creates timestamps for YouTube videos, and I think the best interface for that will be just having it as an extension on Chrome itself, rather than at the moment you have to go to a separate website to do it. I want to give like a little demonstration of how the app works currently. Let me find a video. It works really good with, yeah, like stuff like this. Like, oh, these are all clips, like long interview type stuff. So I'm trying to find a good one. If not, we can do one that's already probably got timestamps to just compare what mine would come up with. Like, let's say, here's one, this one.
I don't normally do this.
So this one already has timestamps, and they're probably written by a human. But if I open up my web app here, Timestamp Genius, and I put in that URL, let's see how my timestamps compare to these ones. So they're quite different. If we say anything about sex robots, of 47. Kind of. AI replacing human connection. It's a bit similar. Yo, my mouse is playing up. Weird. Yeah, okay. Anyway, that's how it works. And yo, got a message on TikTok. Sorry, I can't really read it. Hang there asks, AJ, what kind of software engineer are you? I consider myself a full stacks engineer. I'm pretty generalist. I've touched many stuff, but I'd say most of my experience is in like web technologies like JavaScript, Node.js, React.js, and the like. Speaking of which, this Chrome extension will be done with web technologies as well. So let's get started. What's the first step? First of all, we need to create an empty folder where we'll add our files. Okay, I'm going to add that in my, let's bring up VS Code. Within my Timestamp Genius repository, I think I can make a new folder within that. So maybe I can put that here. Yo, thanks for sharing the live, Vera Perfection. Appreciate you. So I'll open up an Explorer window here. Unfortunately, there's no way I can get this like bigger. Oh, actually, That kind of works. I hate this view though. I much prefer a list view, but yeah. Anyway, I'll make a new folder here. I'll call it Chrome extension. And here's probably where we'll add our new files. Let's see what files it wants us to make. So first it's just the HTML file. We can do that. Wait, index HTML, yeah, all right. We'll just add there. Oh, we'll call this one timestamp genius. And we'll save it in the new Chrome extension folder we made. And make this bigger for you guys. Now they want us to add a bootstrap CDN. That's for styling. Sure, we can add that. And they've added some stuff, but I'll just write body text here like that. I don't really need to do their example of the COVID stats or fetch the data. But how do we get to, if we check the browser, how are they hosting this? They haven't talked anything about how to host it. Because I see they're running it on localhost. But I mean, I guess we could just open the index HTML, and I'm sure we'd see the body text that we made, right? Oh, I didn't even call it index HTML. Yep, body text. Index. Oh my god, typing. Index HTML. That, okay. Index. HTML. Okay, and then apparently we need a manifest JSON file, which contains the necessary information to build the Chrome extension. The first file that the extension checks and everything is loaded from this single file. Okay, so it kind of gives a description of what files there are, the default pop-up, default title, what version we're on, and the name of the extension, and a description. So let's make that file. We're gonna call ours timestamp genius, and the description is, let me check what where did I put the, I have a description on the, I'll just copy it from the website. YouTube timestamp generation with AI. Okay, author, tech friend, default title, timestamp genius. All right, we save that as manifest.json. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. You can have a look here. We are ready to add this as a Chrome extension. Okay, we can go into Chrome, select more tools, extensions, and enable developer mode. Extensions, manage extensions, developer mode, load package. Yeah, maybe. Do we need to zip it? Let's see. Load unpacked. Allow us to load the project. Okay, maybe not. Let's see. Load unpacked. Where did I save it? Find the folder we just made. I think like that. Boom, there it is. Timestamp genius. Awesome. It doesn't have an icon, but that's fine. I think now we can just find it here. Press it, and yay, we got our body text that we made. Awesome. So just like that, we've created the very simple, bare bones Chrome extension. Now, Yo, technically web 3, how's it going? I'm going well, thank you. I have an idea that I'd love to run by you. Yeah, sure. Do you think you'll be able to type it on the TikTok chat, or you want another way of communicating? Okay. So, let's try load some JavaScript. How did they load their JavaScript? Let's have a look. They created the script.js. Okay, let's do that. We'll just do console.log. Oh, we'll do an alert. Alert. Yo. Okay, we'll save that as script.js. Can you do guest? It's decentralized. I can. I'm not sure what ICANN is. I think I can do a guess. Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. Still not too sure what that is. It's an American multi-stakeholder group responsible for coordinating and maintaining procedures of several databases related to namespaces. Okay. You're working on using a smart contract as a DNS upgrade. That's cool. To be honest, I'm not too sure about how all this stuff works. I know of ENS. That's like probably the closest thing I could think of. I'm sure you've heard of that as well. Ethereum name service. People tend to use this for like their Web3 names. But I'm sure yours is more technical than that. Okay, how do we load this script.js? Just like this. At the end of the body, they've had it. All right, so I think I need to just load that same folder again. Okay, and now if I open it, will it do the pop-up? It does. Okay, cool. So we've loaded the JavaScript file. And now what I want to do is like get the current video that is on the page. So I think the way we can do that is something like, is it window.path? Get current URL.js. Window.location.href. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So let's try alert that. Window.location.href. If I reload the package and I try run it. No, okay, so it's getting the URL of the Chrome extension, but not the current tab. Chrome. So let's just ask, how do we get the Chrome extension? Get URL of active tab. Yeah. Chrome.tabs. Technically, Web3 says, I'm hoping to be the place companies like ENS use to register their accounts using my contract, but it would allow us to assign DNS addresses. Right. So it's kind of like how IP addresses get mapped to domains, kind of? Or am I misinterpreting? Oh, so we need the tabs permission in our manifest to be able to access tabs. Okay. Host permissions. Active tabs. I don't know if we need all of these or just one of these. Let's just try just with active tab. And then in the JavaScript, we can go. Oh, it's an await. Okay, let's try this. Function here, and then we'll alert get current tab. I wonder if that'll work. Reload the extension. Oh, that's an issue. Not valid JSON, trailing comma not allowed. Okay, that's fine. Let's try again. Try to run it. Oh, it's a promise. I probably have to await that. Can you await at top level? Find out. Yo, Mar, what's up? Yes, peer-to-peer registrars. Yo, we got some friends in the chat. Sirius Vollenwader and technically Web3. What is this project? So I have this web app called Timestamp Genius. It takes YouTube URLs and can automatically generate timestamps. And I think right now it's a separate website, so it's a bit annoying, and also my UI looks like shit. So what I'm doing is just trying to make a Chrome extension that does this. Why didn't I ping in Discord? Oh yeah, I probably should ping every time I go live. Hey, I don't know. I just find it annoying, but I guess I could make a separate channel and do that. I don't know. How do I do that in a way that's not annoying, or should I just do it anyway? Like, I feel like people that overuse the at everyone ping is annoying. Yo, underscore, thanks for the rose and the nice comment. It looks good, to be honest. Thank you. I've been getting a lot of shit from it from my friends about the UI. A reaction role to get stream pings. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted to do. I should do that. I'll do that later. Okay. Did I try the await? Let's try that. Oh, you can just press update? Is that how it works? Extensions updated. Huh. I don't know. I don't know if that worked. Let's see. If I just run that again, will it still be object? It's thinking about it. I don't know. Nothing kind of happened. I'll try load it again. Oh, errors. Missing close bracket. No, there's no missing close bracket. I feel like I can't do await top level. So I'm going to do it then. Maybe that. I'm going to try that. Oh, it still says missing. Wait, what? I don't get where the missing bracket is. I'd normally get Linter to tell me if there was a missing bracket. I feel like the issue is actually something else. I assume your translation works better than Microsoft Teams. Not sure. My UI is hot garbage, but the DApp wasn't supposed to drop till December, so I rushed it. Yeah. I mean, I feel like UI is secondary to actually a working product, but I'm sure people would disagree with me on that one. All solutions for errors is use ChatGPT. No, there's something I'm missing here. Here, let's try this. Wait, if I do that. I don't get it. If I remove this, I feel like it's an issue with. Wait a second, what? Oh, that error was like from before, apparently. Man, what the freak? Alright. Object. Hmm. I'm confused. Du- 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 du. Okay, so there's definitely some issue with await top level. Do you try grab the URL of a YouTube video? Yes, that is what I'm trying to do. Well, I'm trying to get this Chrome extension to grab the URL of the current tab. But alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a const main, just a main function. Async that one. And then we'll do that in here. And then we'll do main. I wonder if that'll work. Okay, we didn't get an error this time, but it's still object. Maybe like this is an object. I wonder if we can console log it. Look at the console here. Will it console log? No. Why not? Please. How do you console log from a Chrome tab? How to console log from Chrome extension. How did you get the VS Code icon in your goal bar? Just through TikTok Studio, you can do it. Here, settings, and then here, just like you can customize the goal bar. VS Code. How hard is it to make an extension? Super easy to make the extension. I made it in like less than 10 seconds. You just literally here, I followed this tutorial. You just make any HTML file, and you also need a manifest JSON file. Put those two in a folder, and then you go into the extensions tab, you go load unpacked, and you upload that folder. That's it. It's super easy. The reason why this is hard to do without API access is because of the subscription. Amazing, love that. Yes. Okay, how to get console log from Chrome extension. To access the background page, open extensions, you will see something like this. Under your extension, click background page. This opens a new window. Wait, what? Under my extension. There's no background page. Oh, there's a reload button. That's cool. But there's no background page. When was this written? 2018. Yo, Nicholas W. Hello, what am I doing right now? I'm building a Chrome extension for my web app, Timestamp Genius, which takes YouTube URLs and generates these timestamps. But I'm having trouble console logging. Can you make one extension trigger another extension? Can I pass data to MetaMask for mine? That's a good question. To be honest, I don't really know the answer to that. I feel like you'd have to have the other extension listening in order for that to work. But I'm not sure. Yo, thanks for the likes, Mar, and everyone else. Doesn't help me. Open background page. I feel like that's an old version of Chrome. In any extension page, content scripts has direct access to the page via this. Oh, this is how I got a console log? Try that. And then I'll try tab. I guess maybe that's how you do it. Reload this. Run it again. Still nothing. Still nothing. It must be listening. I can launch it from my website. Yeah, that's a good point, technically. It got an error? Oh, yeah, good eyes. Okay, so I can't... I guess get background page didn't work. I feel like these are outdated. Let's try to do 2023. Oh, here, this is written in 2023 from Google. Permissions, active tab. Break the manifest file. Okay. I don't want to do that. Debug. Locating logs. To view this log, open Chrome DevTools panel. Service worker. I don't have that. This one has it. Wait, this one has background. What? I'm so confused. I feel like I'm missing something. At what state is your project for the hackathon? Oh, I've kind of like given up on the hackathon because it was due like a day or two ago. So, I don't know. To be honest, I haven't touched it in a while. When I was debugging my extension, I added a Discord webhook sender until I finished the entire thing. Start pray in the God to save your soul. All these are useless. Google will make it as hard as reasonable to bypass ads. The background page, not the web page console. Wait, is there a way to get the... Hold on, the extensions console? Is that different? Like... Oh, yo! Okay. Maybe we can just do that. I didn't know you could do that. Let's reload this. Clear all these errors. Go back, and if I run that again, I can look at this console. Yeah, okay. That helps. Alright, so this is the tabs object. And we want tabs.url. Okay. Get current tab. Yeah, alright. Tab.url. Okay. That should work now. Figured it out. Yay! All right, sweet. So if I go on the YouTube page and I run that, where are we at? Yay, we got the YouTube URL. Sweet. Step 1 done. All right, Nick says, what was the result yesterday on the E2B versus GPT Engineer battle? GPT Engineer made Snake. Okay, so small developer had so many bugs. Trying to make Snake. This is the VOD, by the way, if you want to see the thing, but I'll quickly go through it. So I asked small developer to make Snake. Wait, first I asked AutoGPT to make Snake. And what happened at the end? It like, I don't know. I feel like it didn't. No, actually, the issue with AutoGPT was it could like there was some errors. It couldn't even make the files. It was like we didn't even get that far. Small developer got a bit further, right? It actually made the files, but there was so many errors, so much hallucination, so many like misimports and stuff. I ran Wolverine.py on the small developer code, which was like, oh, you've watched it till 40 minutes? Okay, so I'll take over. Anyway, like, no, I'll explain this. So Wolverine actually ended up debugging small developer so it could run, but it wasn't Snake. And then in the end, GPT Engineer came through, and on the first try, GPT Engineer managed to make this Snake game with no errors, no debugging necessary. It was super impressive. I was really happy with that. So I put GPT Engineer into S tier on my tier list. What's the details on the hackathon? The hackathon we entered was the Vertex AI hackathon. I'm not sure if there was prizes, but we got like $100 US in Google Cloud credits, which was cool just for entering. And they also gave us access to like Palm 2 and Chirp and a bunch of the Google AI models just through Google Cloud. Debugging with tech friend, yes. The Snake game was before GPT. I remember my first Nokia, yes. Snake game is a very classic game on Nokia, yes. Yeah. So I added yeah, timestamps now so you can see it working in this last timestamp. But yeah, this video is definitely a bit too long. It's like completely unedited. So it's a bit annoying. I definitely need to edit the videos before I post them. But I just wanted to get that out there. Okay, so we got the URL. And now we need to first get the transcription. Now I wonder if I can hit my API. I feel like I can't. So this web app obviously uses its own API. Here, get transcription. timestampgenius.com/API/get transcription, right? But I'm pretty sure that I won't be able to hit it from my Chrome extension initially because of cross-origin restrictions. Yo, mouse in the chat, what's up? This has been fun. We should figure a way to do a collab stream. Yes, technically Web3. If you want to collab, jump in my Discord and you know, make some suggestions. I have a collab channel in there. Yeah, hopefully we can do something. All right, let me see if I can fetch this as a post. Wait, do I have fetch? Probably have that somewhere. Here. Transcription results, fetch, get the full URL. Fetch timestamp genius/API, get transcription. Will be like const tab URL equals that. And the ID. Oh, did we use regex to get the ID? Yeah. Extract video ID. Once video ID equals extract video ID. Oh wait, get current tab. Okay. And then transcription result. Okay, I have a pretty good feeling this won't work because of cross origin, but worth a try anyway. Why regex when you can do a simple split? I think it's a bit more. Oh yeah, we could. I feel no. Sometimes no. Here's the issue. Sometimes it's not like this. Sometimes it's like this. See? So we need to account for both youtube.b/ and youtube.com watch. You know, so that's why regex. Run this. Look at the console. Undefined, unable to fetch, because of course, yep, just like I expected. What else have I missed? Mouse says, not much, glad to hear you got snake build. Yes, Mouse, thanks. It was so fun to do that. Siri says, you need to download every video, that waste. No, we don't need to actually download the videos, we just get the transcription for every video, so it's not that bad. And the transcription is already provided by YouTube, but we just need to call an endpoint to get it. Technically Web3 says, might I suggest using Core's blocker extension for development? Yeah, I mean, we could do that for development, but eventually we need it to be enabled for distribution, so I'm gonna have to look at, see if I can relax the Core's restrictions for the API. So it's hosted on Vercel. Let's see if we can allow cores on Vercel. Understanding cores. Yes, there are security implementations of allowing this, but I think it's the only way we can do it, because from a Chrome extension, I'm not sure. Once you understand what cores is and the potential risk, you can do configuring a few headers. Okay, so we just enable it on our response headers, apparently. Good morning, Atenapez. It is 9:35 a.m. here. If you have Google, you can disable cores and use API keys on your service. Yeah. Google Cloud Run. My stuff is on Vercel. We still could use API keys, but I want a limited free version that anyone can use, and then if they want to make more requests, have to have an API key. Nicholas says, how can it handle long transcription that exceeds a token limit? Okay, so I don't send the whole transcript to the GPT. I do it in chunks, and that's fine because the timestamp is in chunks anyway. Sirius says, I got it. I falsely thought that you wanted to translate from audio. No. So the goal is to create timestamps. So these like chapters with the times automatically be able to create these timestamps based off the transcription. That is what the web app does. And that is what the Chrome extension should do. Yeah. So I might just try add these headers to my extension. Get transcription here. All right, let me just add all these headers. See if that enables cores. And I'll deploy this. Just deploy this one. And push. And now if I just go to Versal, I should be able to see this deployment progress here. Does GPT stopped or what? It just says error, signed in again, doesn't work. ChatGPT? I can have a look for you. Looks like it's working for me. All right, and just like that, we've deployed the latest thing, which hopefully has cores enabled. Didn't realize we have errors here. Oh yeah, that's just the cores error, that's fine. Let's try run this again. Inspect console. Still the cores issue. Can you explain how chunks are created? Asked Nicholas. Yeah, sure. I can even show you the code. So, where would the code be? We get the transcription. Where do we get the transcription? Probably an index. Transcript. No. Oh, it's Google chunk. Current chunk. Okay, here. So here we get the transcription result. And then for each line of the transcription result, we add the current line to the current text chunk until the text chunk length exceeds 3,500 words, or actually I think I've just set it to 500 words. And then so once we build up, so picture this, we have a transcript of like 1,000 lines, right? And then we go through line by line, and each line we add that to the current chunk. So current chunk will initially be 0 lines, and then for every line we go through 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, and then for every line we add, we count how many words are in that chunk. And once it reaches 500 chunks, we send the whole chunk to ChatGPT, and we'd be like, take this chunk and turn it into a timestamp. And that's how it works. And then we reset 0 chunks, 0 line chunks, and then keep adding the lines to the chunks till they reach 500 words. GPT is hosted in different parts of the world, different servers. One server might be down, and yours is down. Says more. Yeah, okay, cores issues. I hate cores issues, by the way. It's probably my least favorite thing in the world. I have a idea to make a separate API for the Chrome extension. I don't know what the pros and cons of that would be. The pros would be we can have it hosted separately, and we know where issues are coming from. The cons would be there's 2 different code bases to update, 2 different deployments that need to be done on every update. It's a bit annoying, but not too badly. Let me have a look at this. How to enable cores again? See if I. Oh, okay, what's this? Allow cores? No, that's fine. So set header. Uh, wait, oh, is it meant to be like this? No. Pros, you could easily add cores. Cons, you have extra payment and you have to update it each time. Both. And if someone finds an exploit within the code, you forget to update the extension one. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. So probably would be best if we keep it in one. Using next, you can still enable headers in multiple paths. Do I have a versal.json? I don't think I do. Allow cores function acts as a wrapper. Oh. Oh, what? Is oh. Is it like hold on. Are you saying I have to make it a separate method and then do this? Let's try that. Let's try that. Where is this? Changes, please. Work, please. There we go. Siri says, it sounds like performance troubles. Why not assume that there are, let's say, 120 words per minute? As opposed to doing 500? 120. So what do you suggest, Sirius? How do you suggest I change the algorithm? Boom. Dude, so fast to deploy. I'm really happy with that. I'll clear these errors and run it again from here. I'm gonna pin this so I don't have to keep opening the tab. Yo, it worked! Let's go take that course. Now, the only issue is this course has opened up this endpoint to anyone from any origin. Now, how do I limit it to just the Chrome extension? Is that even possible? I feel like it might not be easy to obfuscate that because I think Chrome extensions, like you can see all the code. I'm not sure. Yes, precisely. So cut it every 4 minutes. Well, isn't that just the same thing kind of thing? If it's 120 words per minute, it'll be about 480 words per 4 minutes. So that's pretty much 500, and that's pretty much what we already have, right? Doesn't Chrome extension have custom headers? So you're saying we can listen to those? I don't know. Let me just Google it, like how to restrict cores to only my Chrome extension. Restrict API to only work with Chrome extension. Unfortunately, validating clients from a web server is unsolved. There are some things you can do, require user auth, rate limit, token, captcha. Yeah, shit. um, simple check in the code. This just lets it be any Chrome extension. Okay, it's all right. We're gonna be adding user auth eventually anyway. Okay, that's fine. Shats your Discord? What's shats? You mean check my Discord? Let me check Discord. Yeah, but you need less CPU power. How does it need less CPU power? Couldn't you make an obfuscation method obfuscate each request? Yeah, we could, but like there's still like, you know, packet sniffers and ways to tell where it's going, and I think obfuscation isn't the best method. Hello, nice to meet you on TikTok Live. Is this what I'm checking? Thank you for the nice comments. Or was it this? Nope. I don't know. Do you want the link to my Discord? My Discord, the link's in my TikTok bio as well, if that's what you're asking for. Nicholas says, have you heard of the own compression prompt? Yes, for ChatGPT. It could be a way to handle the toggle limit. Yes, I have used the compression ChatGPT compresses thing, but it's not very reliable all the time. So I wouldn't put it in my apps. It doesn't count every word, but assumes how large the block should be. Right. Yeah. I don't think it's a big issue. It's not like that dot length thing isn't too computationally expensive, I don't think. Okay, so where's our script? So we get the transcript. Let me make this bigger. We're pretty much copying the code that we already have. Where are we? Pretty much copying the code that we already have in my dashboard. Here. Yeah. This whole big ass chunking algorithm. Chunk, chunk, chunk. Here, instead of generate free timestamp. If it's on a free trial. No, we don't have free trial. Although we can generate free timestamp. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, we'll have a look at that. Generate free timestamp. Oh, we also need the domain name. My free timestamp looks at the user. I'm gonna make a new endpoint, I think, called generate free timestamp from Chrome. where I hard code or I don't do a check. Yeah, I just won't do a check for the credits. Decrease the credits. Set this as Chrome. Actually, I won't even need that. Okay. We also need the cores, allow cores method. Okay. Damn, Tech Friend doesn't even have Discord Nitro. No, I don't. Heading to bed. Alright, good night, mouse. I don't know. I can't really justify Discord Nitro. I mean, it has a lot of cool looking things, but I don't know. I don't really see much else like big value from it. Okay. What happens at the end of this? Oh, all of these hooks that we don't need. Set processing video. Set resulting timestamp. Where does that come from? Oh, that's if it's an error. Error. Here, set resulting timestamp, polish timestamp. We'll just log it for now. And then we'll worry about I don't know what this is. Unsubmit video ID. Oh, this is the actual. I think we need this. Wait, this is what? No. Why? What condition does it do that? On here. If an error. If no error. Cool. Yeah, no, that's fine. We don't need that. Okay. I think that's okay. Yo, Miles, we won the hackathon. They took my submission, and you've been working with Databricks. What do you mean we won? That's good that we entered, though. Nice, Miles. That's all you. I mean, I didn't do shit. What was the end product? Bro hasn't even seen. You're gonna give me Nitro? Oh, fuck yeah. Thanks, Mar. I didn't know you could do that. Bro, my PC randomly restarted. I don't trust this. We got the credits. That was the prize? How much credits? I mean, I already had like 100 credits they gave us. $100. You're doing hack the box? Nice. Good job, Miles. Good shit. That's awesome, dude. Tech friend community on the up. We got our credits and their repos. Oh yeah. In that case we won. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Alright, what am I doing? I'm going to push this new endpoint. And I'm gonna update the Chrome extension. Wait for this to deploy. Or we run it again. All right, it's deployed. Let's see. Oh, I already got it here. Timestamp genius. Inspect. Console. Okay. Yo, it's working! Yes! I didn't expect it to work so quickly. That's so good. Now we just have to make a user interface. Fuck yeah. I'm really happy with that. Awesome. I think I might leave it there. Make the UI on another stream. But yeah, thank everyone for joining. Really appreciate all the comments and the rows from underscore. All the nice messages and the suggestions. All the likes. And yeah, I try to stream at least every other day, so worst case scenario, I'll be on in 48 hours, otherwise hopefully before that, but we'll see what happens. Thanks so much, guys. Tune in, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, all the good stuff, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.